Hi, Miss Tidwell's first graders. It's some teaching time for Miss Tidwell time, so I'm glad that you're ready to watch and help along with me. Today is our last day of schoolwork. Congratulations to you. Let's take a look here at our calendar. So yesterday was Wednesday, May 20th. Remember, there's 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Who can tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what's today? Today is Thursday, 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 Thursday. Hey, it's Thankful Thursday. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was the 20th, so 20 plus 1 is the next number, 21. Thursday, May 21st. And today is one more day. So if we had 171, think about what's in this one's place. What comes after 1? 2. 1, 2. Uno, dos, y, a. The picture and the number have to match. 2 and the 1s, so we need the number 2. So 172 days of school. And remember, if we have our numbers here, checking the back number, because if the back number's even, then the whole number's even. If the back number's odd, then the whole number's odd. 2 is 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, even. Numbers are really great. It's even. So if we take a look here in our evens, I can count by tens. Can you? Can you? I can count my tens, and I'll start with 2. 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 102, 112, 122, 132, 142, 152, 162, 172. 172 days. And we can go ahead and write that in expanded notation. 100 plus 70 plus 2. 100 plus 70 plus 2 equals 172. Can you write that in a different way? Commutative property? Sure. You can say 70 plus 2 plus 100, and that equals what? 172. You can also write 2 plus 100 plus 70, or 2 plus 70 plus 100, or 100 plus 2 plus 70. All of those are different ways to make the same sum, the same answer when you're adding. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Who can tell me? What's the weather like? If I take a look out my window, it does look like a sun, but I think that's just the glare. It's really cloudy out there today. They say it's supposed to rain. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. So it's a rainy day, a cloudy day right now. We're gonna come right here to cloudy. And we had, nope, sorry, that's rainy. Read, Miss Tidwell, read. Cloudy. So we had 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, plus 1 more. Remember, plus 1 is the next number. So 35, 36. 36 cloudy days. And we know that this chart gives us data, information. Like, we've had the most sunny days. We've had the least snowy days. We've had less rainy than cloudy. We've had less cloudy than sunny. Charts, graphs, tables, they give us information. All right, so I wanted to share something with you for today. And I know it's already on your Seesaw assignments if you've taken a look there. And there's a teaching video, but I want to go over it with you also a little bit here. Remember, The more you practice, the better you get. I don't expect you to be perfect with it the first time you try it, but try it one time, get a little idea and a feel for it, practice it again and again and again. The more you practice, the better you get. And this is with 2-digit subtraction while regrouping. So I'm going to write a number example here. 61 minus 32. Now, usually in our math problems, they don't always have, I'm trying to make it where you don't see that glare. Make it a little better for you. I don't want you to have the glare. It makes it harder to see. Sorry, trying to fix it. I'm going to see if I can just wiggle this around a little bit until it becomes better. And it looks like I have maybe a lamp on, maybe from there. Okay, hold on just a second. Let me see if this helps. Ah, does it? Yes. And it's still able to UV it. It's not too dark for you to see. Good, that worked. Okay, as I was saying, when we take a look at the 2-digit subtraction with regrouping, I'm just going to put the marks bloop, 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 down the middle. I know that usually when you see a math fact, it's not going to have it split. It's just for teaching purposes this first few times. So I know that here's my tens place, here's my ones place. Knowing that I always have to start in the ones place, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Remember, we looked at this in class before. If you have one marker and your friend comes over and says, "Can I borrow 2 markers?" Do you have 2 markers to give your friend? No, you don't have enough. So when the top number in your ones place is smaller than the bottom number, you have to do something called borrowing. You have to go into the tens place, knock on the door and say, "Excuse me, can I please borrow some? I'm going to share with a friend and I don't have enough." And usually the friend is always so nice that they say, "Sure, you can borrow." When they borrow, I'm going to take 1 away from my tens. So it was a 6. My 6 is going to turn into a 5 because I just gave it 1 away. When I just gave one group of 10 to this number, it turned it into 11 because 1 plus 10 makes 11. I'm going to make that a little bit easier to read. 1 plus 10 is 11. We just gave it a group of 10s. So now this turned into an 11. So 11 minus 2, can I subtract that? Sure I can. 11 minus 2, 11, 10, 9. 11 minus 2 equals 9. Now I can come over to the tens place and subtract. 5 minus 3. 5, 4, 3, 2. 2. What's my answer? 29. I'm going to show that with you one more time here, and this time, remember that I can be able to use a picture to help. So I'm going to turn it in again to 61 minus 32. 61 minus 32. I'm going to separate it down the middle. 61. I'm going to draw a quick picture. A quick picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Now, if I'm just looking at the ones, 1 minus 2. Here's my ones. If I have 1, can I give away 2? I can't. So that's why I'm going to take this from my 6 and turn it into a 5. Since I just gave 1 away, that means I gave one group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made it into 10s. So now there's not 1 right here. This is 11. And this makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5. And when I gave away a group of 10, it turned it into 11. So now if I have 11, take away 2. 11 take away 2 is going to be what? 9. 11, 10, 9. 9. 11 minus 2 equals 9. And now I have my tens, 5 tens minus 3 ones. So 5, and I take 3 away, 2. Okay. I'm going to share another example with you here. If I had 48 M&Ms were in my bag, minus 29. I wanted those M&Ms. Yum, but I saved some for later. Okay, so I'm going to separate it down the middle so I can notice my 10 side, my 1 side. I'm also going to go ahead and draw a quick picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 29. 1, 2, that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, if I have 8 M&Ms, can I eat 9 of them? No. Why not? When the number on top is smaller, remember that rule? You have to go next door and borrow. Knock, knock, knock. I need to give some away and I don't have enough. Can I have some? Sure, I don't mind. I'll give you some. So the 4 gives away one group of 10. And when it took 1 away, it counted backwards 1 time. 4, 3. But when it gave it away, it turned the 8 into 8 plus 10 makes 18. Okay, look at the picture. I don't have enough when there's 8 to give away 9. So I'm going to borrow one group of 10 here because the 4 was really nice. My neighbor was nice, and I'm going to turn it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which makes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if I have 18, can I take away 9? Yes. 18 minus 9. Hey, that's minus half of a double. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Now I'm ready to subtract in my 10 side. 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1. How many are there? 19. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is called subtracting, 2-digit subtracting, when you have to regroup. It's also known as borrowing because we go over and borrow a group of 10s when we don't have enough in the one side to subtract. Remember, you only borrow if the number on top is smaller than the number on bottom. So if you saw this, 16 minus 12, I'm going to put this one in the corner. Look in the ones. 6 minus 2. Can you do that? Yes, because the number on top is greater. 6 minus 2, 6, 5, 4. 1 minus 1 equals 0. You don't have to borrow if the number on top is bigger than the number on bottom. You do have to borrow if the number on top is smaller than the number on bottom because you don't have enough to give some away. That's when you go next door, knock, knock, knock. Can I borrow? Yes, you can. You're so nice. Thank you. It turned it into a 3. It gave a group of 10. There you go. All right. Again, I know I said when you first start something, oh, Miss Tidwell's hair looks crazy. I know that I told you that when you try something the first time, it can seem tricky. It can seem weird. You're like, that doesn't make any sense. Keep trying it. The more you practice, the better you get. And you guys are super duper smart. I know that you're going to be able to get this. Just do some practice with it. And no need to worry, no need to fret. You're going to see this a lot next year, and you're going to be given more instruction and talked through it a lot more. I just wanted you to be able to see some things that are coming your way because I know you're smart and I know you can handle it. I'm so proud of you guys. Y'all have had a great time at doing your work that you're supposed to be doing at home. I know it was weird. I know it was strange. I know that it was sad for us to not to see each other. Still trying to see if that can work out somehow, some way, even if it's a couple of weeks down the road. But I'm very proud of you and I miss you so much. Be good, be sweet, give yourself great big hugs from me, and I hope I'm going to be seeing some of you soon. Okay, bye.